Let's start. So the other thing you need besides these letters would be a scissors, a pencil, or something to write with, and about 10 minutes. That's how long our lessons usually take. We'll do the making words, we'll do a sort, and then we will do a sentence. Ta-da! Let's get started right away. Woo! First, let's do our sounds. Thank you. All right, here we go. The first word, it's going to be 3 letters. Pen. Can I borrow your pen?
Like the pen we write
The
with.
pen you write with.
And usually you can have whatever kind of pen you want. Like a pen for pigs, or a pen you write with and there's no eraser.
Good. Write that word pen down on a piece of paper.
Sometimes there is an eraser. That's cool.
When Andrina writes her words, show them, please, at home, so they can see. She has already cut up a bunch. She's already cut up about 10 little pieces of paper. So when she writes it, she is all ready to go.
Because I have to do it right away in the morning.
Okay, here we go. Change the vowel in pen to make pan. Cook the eggs in a frying pan. If you know and, you can spell pan.
But don't say it's pan.
Okay, write pan down. Number 3. Change the first letter in pan to make tan. Tan. She drove a tan car.
And after I'm at the beach, I'm tan.
Yeah. Write that word tan down.
Sometimes it's
Change the vowel again to make the word 10. 10. 10 is the number after 9. 10. Don't forget to write that down.
I have a 10 right here. How about because I accidentally did that 10?
Okay, now move the letters around in 10 to make net. Net.
And just need to switch these around. Net. Oh, I made a mistake and I did E and I said, yes, it's 10.
Okay, now you have to make net. Add 1 letter to net to make nest. Nest. The bird made his nest. Nest. Add 1 letter to net to make nest.
Nest.
Just change the first letter in nest to make rest.
I took a little rest.
Who ate the rest of the pie?
Or rest. Like
Andrina took a rest in her bed.
and I
Rest.
rest.
Make
Who
that.
ate the rest of our delicious cake? My dad, of course, because he loves chocolate cake.
All right, write the word rest down on your piece of paper. Change the first letter in rest to make pest. That mosquito is a pest. Pest. Write pest down on your piece of paper.
I'm tired. Test.
Change the vowel in pest to make the word past. Past. I walk past
The street.
our neighbor's house.
In the past, this wasn't here.
Okay. Write that word past down.
Past.
Now it's time for a secret word. It's a hard one, but try to use all of those
What's
letters.
The first letter?
It starts with a P and ends with an S. That's my first clue. Ready? Move those letters around.
And S.
ends with an S. So the first letter is a P. The last letter is an S. Correct. Drina, I wouldn't look at hers. I would think about your letters and what would make sense there. How does that spell? Parents. Okay, hold on 1 second, Eliana. Just wait. Just wait. I'm going to give you a clue. Most of you live with these in your house or your apartment, wherever you live.
And you love these people. They had you as a baby, and they love you a lot.
It has the chunk N in it. If you know the word, say it with us. 1, 2, 3.
Parents are great.
Okay, parents. So you see the P, air, and
and you love them, and they love you.
Write that word down on your piece of paper.
Parents.
Get ready for the sort. Everyone at home and my girls here, we are ready to sort our words. Today we're going to sort them based on their first sound or beginning sound. So as we read them, listen and look so you know how to sort them. Let's start with that first word and read it. Drina, can you get your pointer out? Just point up. Read with us at home.
No talking.
That's not what it says. Ready? Go.
Est, past, est, net, ten, pan, pen, net,
Nest. Parent. Go ahead and sort it at home.
First letter.
First letter. Andrina's done with her sort. She has words sorted by the P sound or the P, or R, T for T, and N for N. Awesome. The next part of our lesson is to grab one of those words to write a sentence. You can grab 2 or 3 if you want to challenge yourself. Ready? Go ahead, figure out which word you want to use in a sentence and write that sentence down. Ready? Go. Andrina has her sentence. She's going to try not to look at that word parents. Air. What's the AR today? I hear you.
A bed. D. Bye.
Wait, let's check it. Do you have a period and a capital? Oh, she does. Now you want to say goodbye?
Bye bye. It's raining here.
We'll see you next time.